हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है. मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती. मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion and I want to keep doing it. Language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Definitely Kate Winslet is, I'm a huge fan of her work. I watch her work closely, but this is my interpretation of the character.
I always say this, पिक्चरें 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती हैं. एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. और ये एंटरटेनमेंट है.
I think I should leave that to all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, probably that, hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है. मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती. मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever and
Forever,
ever.
I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very, very special to, I think, all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea. We loved the script. When Hansel sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important. And I'm so happy that in my career graph, I've had the opportunity to work with him because I've worked with so many directors. And I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much. And that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will. I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller, जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now, what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But watch it for a great, great fun experience of a crime thriller.
So, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my
Just
birthright.
a basic understanding of this film. The film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not.
Right.
And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legit Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies
I
and
have to
gentlemen.
say it. This is the numbers that speak, And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. And this is what a film should be.
Yeah.
It should be financially viable, credible, and when it releases in the theaters, it is a win-win for everyone. So honestly, this is far more commercial than a lot of my commercial films.
You know, this film, uh, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my, like, I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So, you know, when you go to set and you challenge yourself that, okay, this is not something you have done. I mean, you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I've never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And, you know, many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है आई मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films, you know. So I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail, you know, because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star. I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Karina. I used to see her. I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas, and she would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look. Acha, Karina Kapoor. Abhi, she just took the lift. so so I got to work with you know, I mean, there is something about there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it firsthand. Wow. You know, and uh, beyond that, you know, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And I mean, Karina is uh, one of the best actors we have today. And you know, her stardom just draws you to the screens, but her performances have ensured that, you know, 25 years, 50 years, an actor will always be alive. Stardom can, you know, fluctuate, but, you know, your talent will never die. And I mean, she is a absolute powerhouse.
So, you know, I've worked with Karina on 4 films now. I have had like this Full House. Very few actors I have been able to get, you know. She gets that. She is a star, but also a great actor. Like when we had got Crew as a script, my only condition to Riya was this is Karina, बाकी casting आप कर लो. बाकी हम देख लेंगे ये मुझे करीना चाहिए because I was very sure that there is a certain youthfulness and style that she brings on screen. This was probably a complete metamorphosis, the Buckingham murders. And I thought that, you know, we have a woman with stature, which power. Stories cannot be brought out in public, in the medium that is run totally by men, totally by a different kind of commerce, unless you use your intelligence to make it commercial at the same time, support it with a great actor and a great star. And I knew that for that, the actor has to agree. He has to be okay to put himself out there on a different film. And the only one I was sure was as brave and legitimate as far as stardom goes was Karina. So we approached her. We had decided that if she says yes, this film will be made. And she came on board as an actor and a producer.
No, I don't think so because I think that was a completely different film, and also I think up to an actor to do different. It doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda wali Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bamra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of showcase different parts. It's important. Like I played a prostitute in Chameli, but at the same time in Talash. But if you put both of them together, they're completely different. So I think same like this also. It's a completely different character. I don't know. Let's leave that for you guys to find out, na?
हर फिल्म में ना आप स्क्रिप्ट से तब जुड़ते हो जब स्क्रिप्ट में एक इमोशन होता है जिससे आप जुड़ जाते हो, एक कैरेक्टर होता है जिसकी जर्नी के साथ आप जुड़ जाते हो। तो शाहिद की एक अलग जर्नी थी जिससे इमोशनली मैं जुड़ गया था, जिसकी वजह से वो फिल्म जैसी थी वैसी बनी। इसमें भी जस के कैरेक्टर के साथ में जुड़ गया था। उसका डिटेक्टिव होना और मर्डर मिस्ट्री में शामिल होना उसके कैरेक्टर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था, उसकी कैरेक्टर की जर्नी को दिखाने के लिए। तो पहले तो मेरे लिए हमेशा होता है कि कैरेक्टर है, उसकी इमोशनल जर्नी क्या है, मुझे दिखना चाहिए कि मैं इमोशनली इस फिल्म को कैसे कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाऊंगा, क्योंकि बाकी चीज़ें प्लॉट होती है और वो क्राफ्ट से वो मतलब उतना मैंने कुछ 25-26 सालों में थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया है, वो उतना कर लेता हूँ। लेकिन वो कैरेक्टर की जर्नी जब तक ना हो, जब तक इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व ना हो, और वो कहीं भी हो, मुंबई में हो, लंदन में हो, ज़रूरी ये होता है कि उसको मैं ऑथेंटिक तरीके से मतलब लंदन में रहने वाला सोचेगा कि ये फिल्म हम लोगों की है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो देखेगा उसे भी एक माँ का इमोशन यूनिवर्सल है, उस इमोशन से दुनिया जुड़ जाएगी। मैं इसको मतलब इसलिए पैन इंडिया भी नहीं, हमने हिंदी वर्जन भी बनाया फिल्म का, मैं इस फिल्म को पैन इंडिया नहीं पैन वर्ल्ड फिल्म समझता हूँ, ये सब समझ सकते हैं इसको।
Because I think a mother's emotion has no language. It's a feeling. So, and Jazz is a mother, and it's also her journey apart from the investigation. So, I think me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता उसकी आंखों में है उसका प्यार, उसका दर्द आंखों से दिखता है, nothing else. No? That's important.
And I think you can see Kareena, her eyes speak more than any dialogue in the film. मतलब उनकी आंखों में मतलब 1000 कहानियां हैं और 1000 दर्द है, वो मतलब उनमें बहुत सारी बैक स्टोरीज है, आप खुद ही बनाओगे उनको, इतना मतलब खूबसूरत परफॉर्म किया है। आई मीन शी हैज सो मच टू ऑफर।
I think that is what connected me to the character, which I felt was that it was the emotion and her emotional arc which I wanted to portray on screen, apart from also, her being one of my favorite characters to play, which is a detective. So somehow it just had so much soul in it that I felt that this is the right time for me to feel this character and to play it. Also, it would be very different from, whether it was Crew or whether it was Jaane Jaan, which also happened this year. And I feel it is the duty of every actor to also try to keep doing something differently over and over again. And that is something which I love doing. So, as far as also your next question, which was balancing personal and professional, I don't know. I think I enjoy that hustle of, working at the same time, of, being a mother and a wife. I love it. I wouldn't say that एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है. I think जैसे आज देखा जाए तो I don't think there is कि ये ऐसे सिनेमा है because it is this kind of a song and dance film, so we should put it in a box कि ये mass picture है, ये अच्छी picture है तो लोग देखेंगे. And we have I think there's nobody better than to make this film which has such amazing content at the same time as emotion than Hansal himself, because I think the way he has shot it and stuck to the authenticity of the film, which is वो लंदन में रहने वाली है, her life is in UK, so when you live there you talk to people in English only. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स वहाँ के हैं, जो हिंदी जानते हैं हम हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, जो अंग्रेजी है अंग्रेजी बात कर रहे हैं. So it's a different mix, and I think he's been perfect to shoot this film and make this film with the emotion. नहीं, वो मुझे किसी की जासूसी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है किसी की जासूसी करने मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ में.
आप लोग छोड़ते नहीं हो, जासूस के लिए जगह ही नहीं छोड़ते हो.
I think every director has a different vision which they have in their mind, एंड आई थिंक डायरेक्टर की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो एक एटमोसफियर क्रिएट करे फिल्म का. फिल्म्स एंटायर मिलियू जो है, जो पूरा वाइब है एक फिल्म का, दैट इज द डायरेक्टर्स विजन. And what he requires from the artist, I believe that he will convey it to the actor, and the actor there, either some actors like to prepare, some actors like to react instantly, try to be like that. And I think Hansel and me are quite similar in that way, and that is why we enjoyed working together, is because I find Hansel very very instinctive as a director. He knows कि नहीं मुझे मिल गया है. I know exactly, and वो इतना ही चाहिए मुझे. I know because in his mind he's editing the film, he knows exactly, and that is something because I am also quite precise as an actress. I like to know कि क्या है, मुझे बता दो and मैं कर लूँगी. So yeah, so I think in that sense, that's why I feel it's the character has come so much to life, because I think both of us have been very very instinctive with this particular character.
Hi,
You have
Sana.
to trust your instincts. The thing is, you have to be in an atmosphere where you can trust your instincts, and for that you have to be very very relaxed. So I think, you have to feel that like going to work every day. Then it's not work, and that is very important. तब आपके instincts जागते हैं, तब आप कर पाते हो.
Women and their safety is not just the industry issue, it's any woman at workplace issue. And we take this very seriously. And like I said, a lot of women have to now lead so that a lot of women can join forces. And to that, producing a film, two female producers coming together and making a film telling a crime story which is sorted by a female officer is also a step at creating some kind of safety and some kind of power. You see, we have to change the agency from men to women and equalize the agency. A lot of places we need women on the top and at least running companies. And for that, women also have to make an initiative. And like I said, the report will come, we will read more about it, but a conscious effort to keep a safe environment for women at any place at work. A big part of it will be women leading professional jobs. And I think that has to start happening. It's still a very slanted place. Thank you.
And I think it is up to men. This, the responsibility is on men. The onus is on men to take the initiative to ensure that this equality and safety is maintained. I think it's about time we own up and we look at this, look at safety in the eye.
That is the truth. Actually, this script came to me even like almost 1 year before Mayor Ravi's Town.
Right.
But I mean, actors should draw inspiration from different actors. It's kind of a form of motivation, to make you do better, to make you want to do better. And that's what I want to do. So definitely Kate Winslet is, I'm a huge fan of her work. I watch her work closely, but this is my interpretation of the character. But there's no harm in actors having and drawing inspiration, because every actor, I think, needs some sort of motivation, and if it comes from another actor, then so be it.
Absolutely.
Also, it's flattering to be compared to Mayor of Easttown, but this is not Mayor of Easttown. मतलब ये गलत फहमी है कि this is adapted from that, or yeah. So this is a completely different story and film. That was also a series. Remember that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I think an actor's job is to act, to do different roles. An actor's job is to select great scripts, whatever he's offered, to the best of that. An actor's job actually comes into play when he's listening to a script in his living room or in his vanity van, wherever he chooses to listen or read his or her script. That is where a film is actually born and made. And that is the job of an actor. Beyond that, I think we have experts to do their job as well. And the audience comes in to watch a film, and if the film is, like I said, anything, however, but entertaining, but fun, or thrilling, or emotional, I think they're ready for it. And there's no better time than today.
I always say this, पिक्चरें 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती है, एंटरटेनमेंट, 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 और ये एंटरटेनमेंट है ऑफ द लेजिट क्रेडिबल ऑर्डर.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.